Have you ever been camping in the middle of nowhere without essential equipment? We'll cover cutting-edge solutions which will not only improve your travels but also leave you wondering why you never bought these gadgets sooner. Are you prepared to improve your camping equipment and change the way you enjoy the outdoors? Here at MechMinshub, where knowledge and mechanics combine. Let's dive in. Let's talk about the handy and versatile tool, the Schrade Skax 2L Survival Axe, an axe that surprises us with its capabilities. Weighing just 1.44 pounds, it's a lightweight champion ready to handle various chopping tasks. The Skax 2L is carefully crafted for accuracy, featuring a fiberglass and TPR rubber handle that keeps it light and easy to hold. Despite its small size, this axe is serious about getting the job done. Its 3.8-inch stainless steel blade effortlessly cuts through wood, making it a quick and efficient tool for any challenges in nature. Turn the axe over and you'll find a textured hammer pommel, ideal for times when you need a bit more force. But that's not all. This compact axe is well prepared for any situation, boasting a built-in ferro rod in its handle. With a Skax 2L, starting fires in the wild becomes a breeze. So, whether you're chopping wood or need to ignite a fire, this compact and versatile axe has got you covered. Experience the outdoors like never before with the Space Acacia, a game-changing portable outdoor dwelling system that combines a spacious and weatherproof tent, a stable airfloor, and an adjustable canopy for instant setup and enhanced exploration. The modern glamping tent, designed for 2 or 3 people, stands out with its durable material and weather resistance. The airflow ensures stability on rugged terrains, featuring a waterproof coating for added durability. The temperature-adjusting canopy complements the setup, providing a comfortable living space in various conditions. Now, let's shift our focus to an essential tool for any outdoor enthusiast, the electric pulse discharge crossfire plasma lighter. Crafted from iodized aluminum, this rugged lighter weighs in at just 7 ounces, making it the ultimate champion for your adventures. Bid farewell to the hassle of gas and gasoline, as this plasma lighter offers over 500 lights per charge and boasts a total lifespan of 350,000 uses. What sets the Crossfire Plasma Lighter apart is its unique chamber that allows you to store your favorite fire starter. Come rain or shine, this lighter stands strong against the elements, ensuring that you can always rely on it to ignite your fire. Next up, let's talk about the Claros CL2, a bright and multi-purpose camping light that should be in your outdoor toolbox. Wherever you go, the CL2's amazing 750 lumens will illuminate your route and create a wonderful ambience, making it the perfect choice for outdoor activities such as tailgating, camping, and dinner parties. With 4 folding light blades that enable versatility in usage, the CL2 stands out from the competition. You have 3 options: hang it, use it on a table, or hold it as a handheld flashlight. There is no end to the possibilities. There's more though. Several options are available for this clever light to fit any situation. When necessary, turn on the SOS mode and choose between several color temperatures to create the ideal mood. This exclusive kit, which is limited to just 300 pieces, guarantees that you are prepared for any outdoor fire starting scenario. Let's now move into the field of blades with Drew Harrah's inventive flipper knife, the CRKT Heron. This knife has a contemporary anodized titanium skeletonized handle that is both aesthetically pleasing and durable. Super dense twist damage steel is used to sharpen the open frame 3.39-inch blade, which offers remarkable cutting performance. The CRKT Heron has an alien sense to it because of its general skeletal construction, sleek symmetrical design, and intricate acid edge pattern. Moving on, let's talk about the Mankerlite Timeback 3, a flashlight that offers more than just light. This EDC flashlight has multiple modes to keep your fingers busy in addition to providing light. The Mankerlite Timeback 3 allows you to achieve different lighting effects with features including a super bright setting and a mode called Moonlight. This flashlight stands out because it has an adjustable ambient light at the tail that enhances the visual appeal of your illumination. The set of fidget toys built into the design, though, is the most awesome feature. The Manker Light Timeback 3 makes sure that your EDC not only fulfills a functional need, but also keeps your hands free with a stress-relieving clicker, clicking wheel, and additional spinner. Moving on to the area of small but mighty weapons, the AR-6 Stinger II Compact, a pistol crossbow industry game-changer. Size doesn't equal firepower, as this ultralight marvel has the highest rate of fire of any repeating crossbow. The AR-6 Stinger II Compact is surprisingly effective in close quarters combat, despite its small size. Its lightning-fast cocking mechanism and fiber-optic front sight, which provide quick and precise aim, are what make it unique. You can modify the AR-6 Stinger to meet your unique requirements with a variety of available accessories, including a laser and light for low-light situations, and a red dot sight for long-range shooting. It's so easy to reload with the new. The Tough Built Reload Utility Knife is a tool that goes above and beyond the standard utility knife. Let's take a deeper look. It may not look complicated at first, but it's not your average utility knife. This flexible tool may be used for a variety of cutting tasks because of its slider system, which lets you swap between 15 different blades. You just need to remove the dull blade and use the slider to insert the new one. Even better, you can be sure you have the appropriate tool for any cutting scenario since the Tough Built Reload comes with a magazine that holds 15 different blades. An added layer of convenience is the switch on the bottom that indicates the type of blade you have loaded. Even in difficult situations, the handle's pleasant, non-slip texture ensures a stable grasp. Last but not least, we have a vital piece of outdoor gear, the Lifesaver Jerry Can 10,000 UF, a truly revolutionary water filter. This purifier, which is shaped like a jerry can, is made to get rid of 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, making your water safe to drink. This is made possible by an activated carbon filter, which also aids in getting rid of bad tastes and smells and gives you clean, refreshing water for your travels. With 132 gallons of capacity per carbon disc, the Lifesaver Jerry Can 10,000 UF is a dependable source of filtered water for your outdoor adventures. With its capacity to hold about 5 gallons of water, this jerry can supply enough water for your travels to make sure you stay hydrated, no matter where you go. An additional benefit is that you can use your water purifier to have a revitalizing shower by adding the optional shower head. This feature elevates your outdoor experience and increases the value of every purchase. The Lifesaver Jerry Can 10,000 UF offers a complete solution for clean water and hygiene while you're out and about. As we end this video, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you found a new must-have for your outdoor adventures? Share your opinions in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.